Hello, my people. Be careful with this Southern Traditional Rulers Council movement, because this movement is just another version of the City Boys movement and the Handshake Across the Niger initiative. 30 Pen, the alleged Chicago University document forger and drug dealer, that this so-called Efulev king in Igbo land cannot influence Igbo youth. Tell the Yoruba unity beggars to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu first, before expecting anyone to listen to them. The Igbos are not like the Yoruba or Northerners, where some individuals parading themselves as kings, obas, emirs speak and everyone obeys them. We are not like them. As long as I remain the president of Igbo nation in the diaspora, the Traditional Rulers Council movement is dead on arrival. It will collapse like the City Boys movement. Why is it that during the election, the Yoruba remember the Southeast, but after the 2023 elections, they excluded the Southeast from reconstructions and other major infrastructure projects in Nigeria? Now they have started another movement called the Southern Traditional Rulers Council in the Southeast. Kanti Pen and the Yoruba unity beggars clearly state what the Igbos gain after the 2023 election through the so-called handshake across the Niger initiative. Oh, I forgot that in return, the Igbos received what many described as stolen mandate: Nnamdi Kanu's continued imprisonment and the Lagos demolitions of Igbo properties. Where is that so-called Benjamin Kanu, the acclaimed third most powerful Efulev Ozunch in Nigeria? Can you present what the Southeast Development Commission has achieved in the almost 2 years since it was inaugurated on paper? Can you present your scorecard? Yoruba unity beggars should stop deceiving themselves into thinking that giving money to certain kings or city boys will end Igbo grievances. If they truly want peace, the first thing is the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Then, MC Olomo, the Oba of Lagos, and Remi Tinubu should apologize to the Igbos on national television, similar to how Honorable Isaac Fayose apologized, so that peace can reign. Share this video and may God bless you.